Good afternoon, students. 1 month is over. July month. July month portion is how many students thorough? July month portion is one monthly exam portion. Listen, students. Each and every day, that work you complete that day only. You next day you postpone means your workload is heavy. Dear students, do not waste your time. Okay, students, last class we have studied what? Partnership. Partnership means two or more person joining together. It's partnership. Indian Partnership Act 1932. Indian Partnership Act. The Partnership Act, content of partnership deed, name of the firm, duration of partnership, capital contribution, and profit and loss sharing, interest on capital, rate of interest on drawing, loan from partners, account keeping, retirement, goodwill valuation. Goodwill means what? Goodwill means good name. That good name is company asset. This is partnership deed content. Today, one new topic is your discuss rights and duties of partners. Listen, students. Rights and duties. Rights and duties is same word, same meaning. One example is right means your book is your property. That is rights. Duty means your everyday, each and everyday portions you read. That is your duty. Okay. Today, some partnership rights and duties. The mutual rights and obligations are usually started in the partnership deed. In the absence of any deed, the provisions of Partnership Act started below while applying some rights of partner. Rights of partner. First one, right to take a part in business. Right to take part in business. Every partner has to right to take part in management of business. Every partners to take part of business. Part of business means each and every partner some amount of contribution in capital. Contribution in capital. So each and every partner has to right to take a part of management. Next one, right to consulted. Consulted means what? Consulted means some discussion. Some discussion. Every partner has to write to the consultant in all matters concerning the firm. Each and every partner in consult in all matters. All matters means profit, loss, suppose increasing capital ratio or some interest rate or some any one partner death or any one partner retirement. Some all matters discussion to all partners. The decision of majority while in all routine the matters, but where the matter is fundamental importance, such admission of a new partner, change in the nature of business, etc. Decision must be unanimous. Unanimous means vote or agreement. Unanimous means vote or agreement. The fundamental important matters, fundamental means basic. Some basic matters, some new partner admission. Some new partner admission means the total business capital is increase. The nature of business is some expansion. Business is elaborate. In new partner admit means that new partner admit means you agreed, vote or agreement. Unanimous means vote or agreement. Next one, rights to access to book record and document. Every partner has to right to access to all record and books of accounts and so examine the copy of them. Each and every partner the account recorded in each and every partner one copy in printout or some xerox each and every partners is submit. The business activities or other cash transaction or profit transaction or stock purchased stock details, anything else, each and every details in A to Z in examine and the copy of them each and every partner. Next one, try to share profit. Every partner is entitled to share the profit in the agreed ratio. Agreed ratio means each and every partner how much amount investment in the business, how much some person, the 5 member example, 5 members is joining together start the business is 5 members. The 5 members are equal amount contributed one type. Another type, some person, one person is 5 lakh rupees, another person is 3 lakh rupees, another person is 2 lakh, another person is 50,000, another person is 1 lakh means that ratio level only gain, that ratio only benefit of profit. That is each and every partner is entitled to share the profit in the agreed ratio, that is contribute the capital level. If no profit sharing ratio is speeded in the deed must be shared equally. Suppose some persons are ratio is not followed means ratio means one person highest, one person is lowest. That method is not followed, but the another method one is each and every partners is equally. Loss means equally. Profit means equally. Some two methods of following partnership. Next one method, listen students, one method is agreed ratio level. How much amount of capital investments, that ratio level only sharing a profit. Another one is all profit and loss and shared only in equally. Next one, right to receive interest. A partner has to right to receive the interest of the loan advanced by him to the firm at agreed rate, and where no rate in this stipulated means some conditions, stipulated means some conditions, interest at 6% allowed. Some partners is interest received loan, some advance interest of received some loan and advance to agreed ratio, and the interest rate of the percentage is at first 6% allowed. Next one, rights to indemnified, right to be indemnified. Every partner has to right to be indemnified by the indemnified means promise or promise to protect. Each and every partners promise to protect any critical situation means promise and protect the business, that is indemnified by the firm all acts of the other parties in ordinary courses of business as to for the rights to receive a back any amount spent by him on behalf of the firm. Only thing in he is must have acted a prudently. Prudently means attention and presence. Attention and presence. Attention and presence means each and every partners to promise the product the business and for the right and to receive a pack any amount spent in behalf of the firm. Anytime further action means spending some partners spending in some money spending amount of behalf of the firm. Next one, try to use partnership property for the business. Each and every partner, some critical situation means his own asset to utilize the business. Own asset, utilize the business. Each and every partner has to right to use a partnership property for the purpose of the partnership. Some partnership firm in some property is purchased means that critical situation means that property used in partnership. Suppose if amount is not sufficient means own property in utilized. Next one, right to retired. Every partner has to right to retire as per them of deed or with the consent of other partners. In case of partnership at will, he can retire any time by giving a prior notice to other partners. Some partners suddenly the retired means not accepting partnership, but one person suddenly you retirement means that a person retirement time you settled in investment amount, some profit, so many settlement and so many rules and regulations and so many conditions. But one partner is retirement means that other partners prior notice to other is advanced or prior. First you inform in other partners or particular duration time period you inform the other partner. Suddenly one partner is partnership to remove or retirement means that partners not accepted in retirement or retirement letter, not accepting retirement letter. Next one, right to continue. Every partner has to right to continue in the firm. He cannot to be right to continue. Every partner has to right to continue in the firm. He cannot be expelled. Expelled means leave to partnership. Expelled means leave to partnership except in accordance with the partnership deed. Listen students, this one year 5-mark questions, rights and duties, some rights separate and duties a separate one. Listen students, rights of partner. First one, right to take a partner is in business. Some partners is contributing, each and every partners contributing capital. That partners is may take part of the management. Right to be consult partners in some partnership important matter in discussion. Third one, right to access the book of record and document. Each and every partners The management manage a book of account and each and every partners in one copy and one copy and send. Right to share profit. Each and every partners the agreed ratio, the capital contribution agreed ratio, that level is profit and sharing level. Some one two methods, one method, that method, another one is no sharing method, but all are here the some partners is a equal only. Profit means equal sharing, loss means you equal sharing only. Next one, right to received interest. Some partners is received in loan and advance means at the percentage rate of 6% is collected. Next one, right to be indemnified. Indemnified means that is promise to protect the partnership. Each and every partners promise to protect the business or firm. Next one, right to use of partnership property for business. The property means that each and every partner's right to correct used in only in correct way only. The property used in only correct way. The personal use not allowed. Next one, right to retire. Some partners is suddenly you retire means is that letter is not accepted. But prior notice is each and every partners to submit that partner. Next one, right to continue. Each and every partner's right is right to continue in the firm. The expelled means the partners leaving to partnership expect according the partnership deed. Listen students, this is one important 5-mark question. You that day this question, each and every student that day you thorough. Students, do not waste your time. This time is full useful to you, stuff more effect and in studies. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay students, this question next live class I am asking some important questions and one words this topic. Okay students, thank you.